Hello, I am Sneha Verma working at Brandberg, and now we are discussing what is SEO. So, are you finally ready to tackle SEO and enhance traffic to your website? Well, keep watching this video, we'll figure out what exactly SEO is. One of the major questions received from our client and users is, what is SEO? Businesses that are just start to build their website or going through a website redesign. So, SEO is feel bit intimidating, but it doesn't have to be that way. Even if you do not have any experience in-house SEO associate, you can still start making some positive changes to improve your SEO. As we all know, SEO is an acronym which stands for Search Engine Optimization, which is the process to optimize a website to get organic or unpaid traffic from search engine result pages. In other words, SEO involves making some certain changes to your website design and content that make your website more attractive towards search engine result pages. You do this in the hope that the search engine will rank your website in the top of the results. Now, types of SEO. Types of SEO includes basically three types: white hat SEO, black hat SEO and grey hat SEO. In white hat SEO, it is quite clear from its name itself. White hat SEO refers to the most legitimate practices adhered by the marketers to gain higher ranking from the search engine result pages. The white hat SEO practices strictly abide by Google guidelines algorithms. Second, black hat SEO. Black hat SEO includes the practices that are finding weaknesses on Google's algorithms or the Google guidelines. In order to rank higher on the search engine result pages, these practices are against the Google guidelines and Google algorithms. The third one is grey hat SEO. Apart from black hat SEO and white hat SEO, there is grey hat SEO as well. The grey hat SEO mainly comes into the practices because of the pressure from the client to receive the results they can pay for. Now, we are talking about what is the techniques of SEO. SEO includes two types of techniques: on-page SEO and off-page SEO. On-page SEO, this refers to the activity which are carried out from the page. Simply put, the tasks that help to optimize a page such that it appear higher on the search engine result pages. On-page activities include keywords in right quantity, inserting internal links, meta tags, meta description, building customized URL structures, inserting alternative text, and most importantly, the quality content. Now, if we're talking about off-page SEO, includes the activities which are performed on the page when it goes live on the web. Off-page techniques include sharing on the post, commenting on the post to build the engagement, and answering the queries to the targeted customers. These are all under the off-page SEO. Hope you like the video. Still you have any query about SEO or anything in SEO, then comment below. For more informational videos, subscribe Brandberg.